If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to optimize your workout routine. Today, I'm diving into what foods are best to eat before and after a workout to really maximize your efforts. Let's get into it. First up, pre-workout nutrition. It's crucial, right? But what should you be eating? Well, it's not all about protein. Carbohydrates are your best friend when it comes to fueling those intense workouts. Before we continue, comment, share, and subscribe. Think about it. Our muscles store carbs as glycogen, and they burn this glycogen to keep you moving. Historically, athletes have always focused on meaty proteins. Imagine ancient Greek Olympians or medieval knights. They all powered up with hefty servings of red meat. But here's the twist. Modern science tells us to balance it out. Carbs are just as important, especially complex, high-fiber carbs. They not only fuel your workout, but also support long-term health. Foods like whole grains or bananas are perfect for that pre-workout boost. Now let's talk about the post-workout meal. This is your recovery phase, when your muscles are screaming for replenishment. After you've drained your energy stores, it's crucial to refuel properly to repair muscle tissues and prepare for your next session. Enter the humble sweet potato. This powerhouse is ideal for post-workout nutrition. Packed with fiber, nutrients, and those all-important electrolytes, sweet potatoes help replace the glycogen lost during your workout. They're a favorite among athletes for a reason. They're not only nutritious, but also delicious. And it's not just about what you eat, but when. Timing is key. Experts recommend eating your post-workout meal within 1 to 4 hours after exercising. This is when your tissues are most metabolically active, making it the optimal time for recovery. So, what's the takeaway? Balance and timing. Combine high-fiber carbs, lean proteins, and plenty of hydration to keep your body in top form, whether you're preparing to hit the gym or winding down after a tough session. Remember, every body is different, so listen to yours and adjust your nutrition as needed. Fuel smart, and you'll see the results in your performance and recovery. Stay healthy and keep pushing your limits. This video is for informational purposes only. Comment, share, and subscribe to Top Trending Health News Scoop to see more videos like this. Until next time.